Napag-isipan mo na ba? Dahil kakalimutan na kita, eto na. Eto na.
This is Jacobo Salcedo. This is also the name that girl, Gina, and her older sister Lita, who was his friend in grade school. Gina belonged to a rich family, in fact, the richest in their town. Despite their differences in social class, since Lita is rich and Jacobo is poor, they played often. Oftentimes they would go to their houses, and Jacobo would help them in their homework. During those times, Jacobo had the strong feelings for Gina, but he never really knew how to express it. One day, Gina invited Jacobo to play in their bodega, since Lita was out of town. She read a book called Wuthering Heights. When Jacobo went home during that day, he discovered his father had died. He found out that his father died on accident in the cockpit his opponent's roasters, and he bled to death. Three days after his father died, the war started. Jacobo and Gina was forced to separate from each other, and their family fled to their new homes. Jacobo's mother died during the war. And Jacobo was forced to live with his uncle, who was a janitor at the Ateneo. Jacobo finished his schooling as a working student with the help of his uncle. He graduated law school and became a lawyer. After graduating, he found out that Gina's family lost their wealth, and Gina is now on Manila. Jake got into the firm of his college friend Carlos Cabello. He was paid well and he enjoyed the company of one of the richest men in the Philippines. One day, they went to the bayside. Jacobo couldn't believe his eyes. She was sitting there, the woman he was looking for. It seems that Gina did not recognize Jacobo. Jacobo introduced himself as Jake, but Gina gave him a different name. And this is understandable because a current line of work. Jake kept on insisting that she goes out on a date with him, but she politely declined. Jake kept on insisting to the point that he asked Gina's manager to book Gina for him on the next night. For the next week during this time, Jake got hints that the girl was actually Gina after many days of Jake inviting Gina out on a table and her declining. Gina finally said yes to Jake's invitation to go out with him. Jake got a message from Carlos that they were going on a business trip ASAP. This means Jake can't go out with Gina. Jake called his secretary to inform her that she looked for Gina in the lobby and tell her that he would meet with her soon.
2 follow-up ground point 65, Southwest 3150. Southwest 3152, cross runway 24 left, contact down point 65.
Jake got a call from his secretary to inform him that she did not see Gina in the lobby and that she did not go. Jake met Jenny. He fell in love with her because of the likeness of Gina, but nevertheless, he learned to love her. They got married and they lived a happy life. But one day, Jenny saw something in the news that made Jake's world stop. He did not believe that Gina could do such a thing. Using his connection, he made a way to see Gina.
Gina,
Hi, what can I do for you?
do you remember me?
Yes, you are the man who wanted to help me a few years ago.
Yes, I am here to help you again.
Thank you, but I don't need it.
Why didn't you go to the hotel? Secretary said she didn't find you.
I was there with my brother and we waited for you, but you did not come. I guess your secretary did not see us.
I have a story to tell you. That boy, he was very poor.
Jacobo?